What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how I go. It is your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Whew. But today, guys, we're gonna be talking about something serious. All jokes aside, if you guys are not a part of the Discord, click the link below, free Discord link. Surround yourself around like-minded individuals, people that hustle and grind every single day. I'm talking about phone flippers, resellers. I'm talking about people that want it as bad as they want to breathe, people that do this on an everyday basis, like this chat or this Discord, this server. I'm just so thankful for everybody that continues to join, everybody that continues to chime in. If you're somebody in the server that isn't talking, I don't know what you're doing. You're just obviously not getting 1% better, because obviously you want to be able to network and surround yourself around other people. But in the Discord, unfortunately, I read a message, okay? And this message was about the danger phone flipping brings. And I've been outside the country, so I haven't been able to really upload as much as I would like. So I couldn't really respond the way I want to, and now I am, right? So shout out to my guy Homelander. Homelander is a part of the Discord, an active individual, somebody that I think has a bright future. He is a phone flipper. He is a repairman. He is a beast. No matter what, he's a beast. He is somebody that is not only active, but always showing his receipts. Now, when it comes to Homelander, he commented on the Discord, and the first thing that he said was, "I was robbed at gunpoint when I was trying to sell an iPhone." Okay, guys, I know, you see a lot of propaganda on the internet about doing Facebook ads. You hear me talking about meeting people from OfferUp, Facebook. I know that phone flipping seems to be something that is lucrative, and it is, but one of the biggest, most important things is your security, your safety. And I can contest to this because, as you guys know, I've been phone flipping for over 9-10 years. And I was once almost robbed. I was almost robbed 2 times, actually. Never got robbed at gunpoint, but I do know people that have. I know people that have been in really dangerous situations. One of my buyers in the States, he was buying a phone in the McDonald's parking lot. And as he was buying the phone in the McDonald's parking lot, believe it or not, one of the guys that I guess he usually buys the phones from gets in his car with him, per usual. And as my buyers count out the money, the guy that usually sells him the phones pulled out a gun and put it straight to his the side. And that is a scary situation. And what this buyer did was run into a McDonald's. He drove into the McDonald's, like literally drove into the McDonald's. So yeah, like, this phone flipping stuff is very important. Don't let very scary, very risky. Don't let nobody get in your car. Okay, that's number one. Because I know this video is about tips, but I just want to get that out there. Don't let nobody in your car. I've done it before, and it hasn't planned out bad, but at the end of the day, it can pan out bad. Okay, trust and believe. Do not let nobody in your car, please. All right, but when it comes to Homelander, I believe it was the iPhone 12 that he was selling. And I guess the person pulled out a, you know what, and robbed him. He called the cops. So he said, called the cops, made a report, going to press charges. And since he robbed me, I went to his Facebook and found a good picture of him and his family along with where he lives. My friends helped out a lot finding where the family is based off the pics. So once you get robbed, I won't tell you to go this far. Homelander, I think you are right by contacting the police, but we don't gotta find a family. Like, we're not like, we ain't gonna go and, do anything to the family, hopefully. We just want to alert the authorities. But nevertheless, I want to raise this problem. Like, it's a huge problem. People are very gullible, okay? I see people, even my mentees, when they meeting up with individuals, they take the money out. Do not take the money out when you meet with somebody. Do not take the money out when you see the phone. Don't take the money out at all. Do not take the money out. And I'm explaining to you why. Another story that I had was there's a sort of kind of like a highway, but it's a boulevard, highway/boulevard in Philadelphia called Roosevelt Boulevard. And I was meeting somebody on Roosevelt Boulevard, and this guy gave me his house address. I was not that smart. Again, don't go to people's houses. Please do not go to their house. I went to his house, pulled up, got out the car. He had a phone. I had the cash. I said, "Can I see the phone?" He was like, "Why? I'll just do whatever you need me to do on it." I said, "No, I need to see the phone." He gives me the phone. No. I said, "I need to see the phone." He like, "I don't know, man, because people been burning people on OfferUp, bro." So I was like, "Okay, listen, I got the money." I pulled the money out to show him that I had the money. Once I showed him I had the money, he snatched it out of my hand and ran into an alleyway. Luckily, I snatched that phone, and he didn't get to take the phone, but he did take the money. And I chased him, and that was really dangerous, because if I would have chased him all the way into the alley, like listen, Philly, okay, Philadelphia, I'm telling you right now, dangerous at certain parts, okay? So it's like, I was chasing him for a second, and then I thought about it. I'm like, well, I don't know what I'm running into. So whenever you get robbed or somebody snatches something from you, please do not run after them. This is like really serious to me, because again, all of you guys are my hustlers. You guys are family to me. Everybody that's subscribed, I literally take it personal. I care about your safety. So I'm here to just give you guys a few tips. So tip number one, guys, is make sure that you guys are never showing the money, okay? Never show the money. I don't care if they are saying, "Oh, well, I don't want to show you the phone until I see the money." Like, just say, "Okay, man, listen, let's go to a police station." And a police station, I will take the money out. But other than that, I'm not taking the money out. Not at no Walmart, not at no Wawa, not at no gas station, not at no Giant, not at no supermarket. I'm not taking the money out, because once I take the money out, I am now walking lick. Okay, I do not keep the money in my pocket either. I put the money in my sock. The reason is just in case somebody tries to rob me, or somebody tries to like take the money from me, they would have to bend over and literally take the money out my sock, which then it will be in a vulnerable position, and then I can do whatever I got to do. I mean, not saying y'all should. Me personally, I'm going to do what I have to do. Number two is always have some type of protection. So I'm not saying have a firearm. I'm not telling you that. But what I am saying is make sure you have something, okay? I don't even care if it's a butter, or a fork. I don't care what you got. Just have something to be able to protect yourself, if anything, okay? Like, just have something, all right? Please have something to protect yourself. And then number three is make sure that you are meeting in a public, secure location. One of my favorite type of locations to meet somebody is a store with an ATM. Now, you may be like, what? I like to meet people literally in front of an ATM. Like, literally. And the reason is because ATMs are always under some type of camera surveillance if it's that company's ATM. So like Walmart, if Walmart has ATM, ShopRite has ATM, wherever the ATM, I'm meeting in front of the ATM. ATMs usually have cameras too. And also you're going to have people that try to, like, it's a scam, guys, if somebody tries to not meet you inside. That's already a scam. Next, The fourth one that I would really say is to make sure that you have some type of form of communication written down, so that you can always be able to report it, or have proof that you met this individual. So me, I like to do it through OfferUp or text. I usually give people my number to text and call me, so I have some type of number, even if it's a text now, if it's a green text, if it's a green button, if it's not. This is what I usually do. If I text them it's green, when I meet up with them and they have an iPhone, I already know they're texting me from an app. I already know that I need to be on high alert. But let's hypothetically say that it's not green, it's blue. That's cool. But regardless, I want to make sure I have some type of phone number. And I'm not saying they're not going to block you, but regardless, you need a phone number, some type of communication, some type of number, something so that you can give to authorities just in case something does go down. That is extremely important. And lastly, guys, nothing is worth losing your life. If somebody is trying to rob you for a phone, give it up. Okay, don't try to fight it, because I promise you, you're going to get your lick back. I promise you, karma going to get them. And also, if you want to be ultra smart when you have a phone sale, or if you're like trying to buy a phone, make sure you have somebody with you. But like when I say have somebody with you, don't have that person with you like next to you. Have that person with you somewhere else, like just in case, like a person just looking and observing. But I would never ever fight somebody over a phone. There's too many phones out here, and I'd rather lose money than lose my life. So don't try to be a hero. Don't try to do that, because it's not gonna work. Okay, you're gonna end up. This world is wicked. So shout out to Homelander. I hope that everything works out for you, and I hope that you are able to continue, because even when my buyer got robbed, the next day he's buying phones. Like when that stuff happened to me, next day buying phones. Like this is exactly what phone flipping is. It's a risk, but we got this. So we're not scared. Don't let it deter you. Keep making this money. Be smart, okay? Move smart, and move like your life depends on it. All right. So is phone flipping dangerous? No. I think phone flipping is just like going to a regular job. The job can get robbed at any point in time. The difference is that the inventory is yours here. It's not the company's. So you just want to make sure you conduct yourself in the smartest manner and move really, really smart and also cautious. Okay, guys? I hope you guys continue to make money work for you. I see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace.